In this video, we're going to talk about some powerful features that I've added into MLM Lead Pro. This is my marketing system that I created. It's a team duplication marketing system, turnkey system, whatever you want to call it. But basically, this allows you to not only give you all the tools for free to help you to grow whatever businesses you are promoting, but I'm going to be talking about the updates. If you've seen this, or if you're a part of this already and you're using it regularly, you're going to learn some of the new things that I've been putting in the last day, or some powerful features that we're going to talk about. But basically, for those of you who are brand new, we're going to talk about some of the new things that I've added, but also how you're going to be able to use a system like this to add your business's opportunities in here for free. You can just register on the link below and get set up on the dashboard. There are videos here. You just open up the video and watch the second video. Get started, come back, customize the system, click save. It's as simple as that. And they follow the same kind of structure. And you go on to step 4, then step 5. And then you've got all the tools here that you need to be able to manage your business. Think of this as like a lead magnet. It's a lot easier to share out a valuable tool that people are going to need, even if they're focused on other things. How hard it is to really convince people to join your primary business, because you're pushing them to join your business and you've got your business in their face, front and center, and they're telling you no, they're not interested. That's because they're focused on other things. They're not motivated by your pitch. But by giving them a free system, that they can use this system for whatever they're focused on, because they can customize it with the businesses they want to put in here. And you can actually customize unlimited businesses in here. By going in here, add your own businesses, you'll be able to get set up with your own businesses in there. And you can also set that step 2 and step 3 can be customized, that your downline will see what businesses you put in there. That's powerful. We've got a lot of features. Now let's talk about what I've added in for those of you who are using the system and want to see the updates. First of all, a nice little feature. We've got you can toggle the on and off, the night mode. We've got a nice powerful night mode for you guys. You'll go through this and you'll open up. It's got a nice glow. And I actually love this night mode. You'll be able to use that, and just switching it on and off is very easy right at the top there where you see my mouse. And then I'm going to talk about the lead pages. You can create your own lead pages. And we've got a new little feature here where, well, it was here before, but I've upgraded it. You can add your own pages, and you can even create your own pages if you want to. But for those of you who just want something quick and simple straight out of the box, we've got a library. You can open up the library, and here you are. As you can see, if you've seen this before, you may not have seen this because it's been upgraded. You can actually preview what the page looks like. You can use these different templates. We've got all the templates here. And then you can browse. You've got free templates there, and you've got premium templates here. You can obviously open those up, preview those templates right here, and see what they look like. You can even search for templates there if you want to. Type in your search word. That's brand new, and I'm quite pleased with that. All you do is you just click use this, and it puts the share code in, and you just apply the code, and it'll add it into the library. As you can see, I've got a lot of pages that I've created, and you've got different things like tracking tools. You can add your tracking links and link shorteners and stuff like that. You've got a lot of features here. You can even edit the pages, even the pages that you bring in from the library. You can even edit those pages, and you can just, for example, let me just show you. If you edit the pages, you can just customize the pages to your heart's content. You can select what font set you want. They're all selectable. You can add the different backgrounds, change the backgrounds. You can add mock-ups or graphics if you want to. You can add a call to action button. You can select which button you prefer. You can change the color. I'm not going to change that because I want to keep it as it is. You can even add a little pop-up option there, and you can select which pop-up. We've got lead magnets that you can select. You select which lead magnet. You don't need to edit those or anything. They're all done for you, and they're branded to you. That's really powerful. That's nice. But anyway, guys, I mean, there's a lot of tools here. You can manage your leads, referrals. You dip into the training. We've got the full training here. You can browse into different sections, AI tools, funnel training, mindset, traffic, and updates and news and so on. You've got a lot, and you can even search the training. It's all, the whole system is, obviously I'm seeing this in Japanese because I'm based in Japan, but you can select the language and the system converts into your language. Anyway, come on in, check it out. We've got a lot of new features, and I'm updating them all the time. I'd love to work with you. Get on the link below. Also, guys, don't forget, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps the channel. And by all means, comment below if you need help with anything. Or just get in touch with me privately. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the inside. Bye for now.